Hey there, welcome to the tutorial. Today, we're diving into the world of AI and machine learning by setting up F5-TTS on the NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano. F5-TTS is an advanced text-to-speech model that can generate lifelike voices. This is an exciting project, and while it's not fully optimized for Jetson just yet, it's a great way to explore the potential of this powerful device. So grab your Jetson Orin Nano and let's get started. Before we jump in, here's an important note. This tutorial has been tested on Jetpack 6.1, so if you're using the Citron NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano training kit preloaded with Jetpack 5.1.2, it won't work out of the box. Also, since the model isn't optimized for Jetson yet, expect longer processing times. But hey, that's the fun of experimenting, right? First things first, let's update the system and install the necessary dependencies. Open a terminal and run these commands. Next, clone the F5-TTS repository and set up a Python virtual environment to keep things tidy. Before installing dependencies, we need to download the correct PyTorch wheel for Jetpack 6.1. Head over to the NVIDIA Jetson Download Center and grab the PyTorch wheel compatible with your device. Once downloaded, move the wheel file to the F5-TTS project directory. Once the file is in place, install the wheel, F5-TTS and its dependencies. This step ensures that the model runs with the correct version of PyTorch tailored for the Jetson platform. To ensure smoother performance during setup, especially when dealing with memory-intensive tasks, we'll activate an 8 GB swap space. Swap space is a portion of storage used as virtual memory when your RAM is full, and it's particularly useful for devices with limited RAM like the Jetson Orin Nano. Before activating the swap, let's check the current memory status using HTOP. You can see here, we only have 8 GB physical RAM available. Let's start by creating and activating the swap space. Open the terminal and enter the following commands. Now, after activating the swap, check HTOP again. Notice the additional swap space available for the system to use. Activating swap space ensures that our setup has enough memory to handle the installation and running of the F5-TTS application without any hiccups. It's an essential step, especially if you're planning to explore other demanding AI applications on the Jetson Orin Nano. Now it's time to run the Gradio app. This gives us a web interface to explore F5-TTS features like chunk-based TTS, multi-style generation, and even voice chat. Launch it with this command. Once it's running, you can access the web interface in two ways. Hold down the control key on your keyboard and click the provided address, or manually type the address into your browser. It's quick and easy. Let's explore the exciting features of the F5-TTS application, starting with basic text-to-speech. In the Gradio app, begin by uploading a reference audio clip, or you can record your own by clicking the microphone icon.
If you're using this tool for the industry, you might have some problem.
Next, expand the Advanced Settings section by clicking the down arrow to optionally provide the transcription of your audio clip. If you skip this step, the application will automatically generate a transcription using the OpenAI Whisper model. Simply type or paste your desired text into the input box and click the Synthesize button. Now let's hear the generated results.
Terminal founded in 2004, Citron strive to provide solutions for engineers, educators, and students to build smart electronic and robotic projects.
The model generates lifelike speech from the text. It uses chunk inference to process longer texts efficiently, making it great for applications like audiobooks or announcements. Finally, let's explore the voice chat feature. powered by the Qwen 2.5 to 3B Instruct model. Qwen is an advanced conversational AI model designed to provide accurate and context-aware responses. This feature allows you to have interactive and dynamic conversations with the application. Let's type in a question and see how it responds.
Sure, imagine regular computers use bits, which are like switches that can be either on as 1 or off as 0. Quantum computers use something called qubits, which can be on-off, or both at the same time.
As you can see, the voice chat feature can provide informative and conversational responses. It's a great way to add interactivity to your applications. With these features, F5-TTS opens up endless possibilities for voice-based applications. Whether you're creating personalized assistants, educational tools, or even creative projects, this is just the beginning of what's possible. And that's it. You've just deployed F5-TTS on the NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano. While it's not fully optimized yet, this project showcases the potential of this device for AI and machine learning tasks. With a little tweaking, you could optimize the model for faster processing, opening doors to more advanced applications. So keep experimenting, and who knows what amazing innovations you'll create. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more AI and machine learning projects, check out the Citron Marketplace and stay tuned for more tutorials. Happy innovating!